Hey everybody, welcome to Chuck's Bed Adventures, and I want to thank all my new subscribers, and I want to ask you some questions. So what would you like to see from me, as I've been living overlanding for 8 years now? I choose to overland in my 21 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. This is the work hub, and we travel around usually Arizona to Montana. I have a surgery that I need, so I'm down here in Arizona, and I'll probably be staying here until I get it done, which means I probably won't be traveling to Montana this year. But I will still be adventuring as long as I can until my surgery, because for 6 weeks I won't even be able to drive the work hub. I'll have a neck brace, can't do nothing. So I appreciate you guys coming on, but what I want to know is what would you like to see on my channel? Would you like to see more adventuring in the Jeep? Would you like to see my camper build, and how I built it from bottom up with a carry-on trailer? Or what would you like to see from me? Because I know a lot of you joined my channel when I met Nikki Delventhal and Roaming Reckless Maria, and I would like to know, besides the ladies and how cute they are and whatever, what you would like to see from my channel. And definitely you subscribe to me for a reason, so I'd like to know more about what you'd like to see from me, and how it works, and how I've survived 8 years overlanding. I used to have a little car. I started out in a little car, a little Altima 4-door, packed up, left home, got rid of rent, and hit the road. I'm a retired, disabled Desert Storm veteran, and this is how I choose to live. I like nature. I like being outside. It's good to open up and not be feeling like you're stuck in four walls. So that's the main reason I do it. Of course, I'm single, so I'm solo out there, and I enjoy my lifestyle. Now I do have a 31-foot Hawkins motor coach that I haven't driven in like 3.5 years because of the gas prices. So it stays at home and in the Midwest, and I enjoy traveling around in my Jeep that don't have a 454 in it. I have a 31-foot Hawkins motor coach. It is now vintage. It is now it's now antique. So, and some of the things that come with that back in 1990 you wouldn't even realize, and maybe I'll get into some of that later. But just let me know in the comments what you'd like to see from my channel. More jeeping, more trailing, more of the camper that I built. Let me know in the description, and I will make some content on that. I already have some from building it, and I will put that in there too, and I'll explain some of the things that I do and the ways that I did it and how I come across wanting to do it this way. And I'll start putting out more content, definitely with your comments, your likes, your subscribes. I will probably start posting 3 times a week, but I'm going to probably keep it to 1 or 2 this right now, to see what you would like to see from my channel, since I've gotten all these subscribers lately. So you guys have a great day, a great week, and look forward to making some content for you. Thanks. Chuck's Bed Adventures.